What are the differences between felony and misdemeanor charges in Pennsylvania? Attorney Adam Bompadre explains that. Whether a charge will be considered a felony or a misdemeanor will depend on the seriousness of the case. In Pennsylvania, both felony and misdemeanor charges have 3 degrees of seriousness. A third-degree misdemeanor is the least serious charge, outside of what's called a summary offense. A summary offense is akin to receiving a traffic ticket, and usually only carries a fine, although it can sometimes carry a jail sentence of up to 90 days. A misdemeanor of the third degree is the least serious misdemeanor, followed by a second degree and a first-degree misdemeanor. Of the degrees of felonies, a third-degree felony is the least serious, and a first-degree felony is the most serious. The only charge that is more serious than a first-degree felony is a criminal homicide charge. It's simply a way of grading the seriousness of the offenses, which is done by the legislature in Pennsylvania. When the legislature passes sentencing guidelines, they determine the level of each offense in the crime code and then give it a grading. There are also statutory penalties. In Pennsylvania, the maximum sentence for a third-degree misdemeanor is 1 year in jail and a $2,500 fine. A second-degree misdemeanor carries a 2-year maximum jail sentence and a maximum fine of $5,000. A misdemeanor of the first degree carries a 5-year jail sentence maximum and a $10,000 fine. A third-degree felony carries a sentence of 7 years in jail and a $15,000 fine. For a second-degree felony, the maximum sentence is 10 years in jail and a $25,000 fine. A first-degree felony carries a sentence of 20 years in jail and a $25,000 fine. Criminal homicide charges can be capital cases facing the death penalty or life imprisonment without parole. Contact Attorney Adam Bompadre in Douglassville, Pennsylvania for a free case evaluation today. Attorney Bompadre enjoys a reputation as being an extremely zealous, ethical, and skilled trial advocate. He believes in using his wealth of real-world experience in a practical, common-sense manner in order to achieve the best possible outcomes for his clients.